Hello you guys and welcome to the Nice vlog. So we got here yesterday and I gave you guys a little apartment tour, so insert that. I've been traveling for how many hours? 6, 8, 5, I'm not really sure. So we look rough, but we just arrived in Nice. We've been in Italy for 3 weeks. So go check out those videos, but I'm going to quickly show you our little apartment that we have. So come through the door, we have a kitchen, thank God, a little couch, a TV area, and then we have a bed. It looks so good. I'm so happy. I need to pee really badly, so we're gonna do that. And we also did some groceries because we have a kitchen, so also insert that. Hello you guys, we're back from the supermarket, so I thought I would do a little haul of what we got because that stuff excites me so much. If that doesn't excite you, then you can skip, but like that's boring. Some milk for obviously tea and like cereals. We got aioli because that's like mum's literal addiction. We got some potatoes, like creamy potatoes, which mum is having right now. They're nice and warm. I just got some cherry tomatoes because I'm going to be making a poke bowl tomorrow for my lunches. Oh, by the way, we're trying to just like eat in as much as we can here and like utilize having a kitchen because we don't have a kitchen in like any of the other apartments that we've had or hotels we've had. So I just got a big can of chickpeas for my poke bowl. By the way, this isn't like a traditional poke bowl. It's literally just what I order at the poke bowl store. I then got a bag of prickly pears, or as they are called in French, apparently this is what was on the sign, figu something. So yeah, I got them. Mum got some baked beans. As soon as I saw this, I was like, Mum's gonna love that. I got some shaved almonds to put on top of my poke bowl just to add some crunch. I then got some salsa for my dinner tonight because I'm going to try and make like a makeshift burrito bowl. Feta for my poke bowl. I'm not even going to call it a poke bowl anymore. I'm going to call it like a salad. Mum got a wine. We got some wheat bix for breakfasts, olive oil, some red kidney beans, 2 apples just to stack on, you know. Mum got some chips. Last bag, I just got some frozen vegetables for my dinner tonight. Is there even a freezer in here? Chicken breast, Greek yogurt, some spinach. Here are some nectarines. And Mum just got some chicken schnitzels. But it is the next day today, so it's our first official full day in Nice. I obviously just showered, so sorry about my appearance. I'm gonna get ready and then we are gonna start the video. I'm really excited. I've never been to Nice, so let's get into it. Also, if you're new here, make sure to subscribe, give this video a big thumbs up, and yeah. I'm now all ready. Just blow dried my hair. It's getting to a point where I just can't do anything to make it look better at this point, so this is what we're rolling with. All like my clothes is in the wash, so this is what we're rolling with. Only at the market, it's amazing. I already bought some fruit. Mum just got a watermelon. Is it nice?
Yum.
Literally, I'm in heaven. These here are actually incredible. This is like a mall right now. Zara's up there. We just got back from just exploring the markets. I think I filmed a little bit of the markets for you guys. They're really nice. We're gonna make some lunch because we're eating at home. So I'm gonna try and make a poke bowl that I had been ordering like while we were in Milan. So we just went and bought like a rotisserie chicken. So mum bought a baguette somewhere. Do you want to pass the baguette? And she's gonna just make like a roll or whatever. Oh my god. She got a baguette. Mum is gonna do the deed of shredding it up because I hate doing that. And then I'll have some more chicken for my lunch tomorrow, but I'm gonna make my big poke bowl right now. Also, I went to the market and I bought some figs, got some more prickly pears in there, so I'll put them in the fridge. This is my salad. It looks really, really good. I'm so excited to eat it. It just got cabbage, feta, tomatoes. At this beach, if you can even call it a beach. But there's people jumping off over there. We're scouting beach locations for tomorrow because we were really dumb and didn't bring bathers today. And we're too lazy to walk back to our hotel. So yeah, look at everyone. Alright guys, it is later on. We had dinner, we watched a bit of The Mentalist. We are going back down to Old Town Nice I think that's where we're going to go to the market. They have a night market and they sell like jewelry and stuff. So that's where we're going to go. Just came to the jewelry market. That's it behind us, and I got a bracelet, so I'm really happy. I think we're gonna go get crepes. Guys, such a vibe. Everyone's still out on the beach. Alright guys, we're currently at this place that's like a crepe store. We're here, we're ordering crepes. Mum doesn't really, have you had a crepe before?
No.
Mum's never had a crepe, but so you can choose. So I never know, because when I get crepes I either always get caramel or white chocolate and strawberry. So I don't know whether to get caramel and strawberry or white chocolate and strawberry, or they have one already made up which is white chocolate, salted caramel sauce, crunchy caramel, sugar. I don't know guys. Alright guys, crepe is here. Good morning everyone. So today, don't mind the tan, it is coming off and we're swimming today, but we are going to Monte Carlo because it is like a 16-minute train ride. Like, it's so close, so we're super excited to go. Both of us have really wanted to go for ages. I don't know why Mum wants to go, but ever since I've seen movie Monte Carlo, obviously wanted to go, so we're super excited. I think it's down here, Mum. We're just catching the train now. Alright guys, we're here at the train station. Trying to walk to the palace right now. We've missed the changing of the guard, but that's okay. We've already seen 2 on this trip. So yeah, and then I think we're gonna head to the casino, grab some lunch. But already Monaco is so nice. I've seen like 3. Yeah, no, that looks good. I've seen like 3 Lamborghinis. I feel like this is my place to be, Mum. I feel like this is where my soul wants me to be. Alright you guys, this is the palace. There's a guard right behind the statue. Alright guys, close up of the castle or the palace. There's a guard there. He would be so hot right now. It is like nearly 40 degrees and he's just walking back and forth. This is Mum's situation. She's dying. She just bought a $7 fan, €7 fan. Guys, we're on a double-decker bus and our bus literally broke down. Okay, I feel like we've literally just walked about 100 miles, no joke, to find a restaurant that doesn't cost $100,000 just to breathe in its direction. So we found one called Steak and Shake and it looks okay. So we're gonna try it out. I'm starving right now. It's like 2 o'clock and I haven't eaten since breakfast and I'm always hungry, so that's an issue. So that's it there, Steak and Shake. Praying they have sweet potato fries. That would be so good. Okay, we ended up coming to this place. Good morning everyone. It is currently Sunday. Is it Sunday? We were going to go to Cannes. Is it Cannes? We're gonna go to Cannes today, but we just couldn't be bothered really. It's super duper hot and you just have to get like the train there and stuff. So we thought it'd be better for our last day in Nice that we would just go to the beach here in Nice, because we haven't like really, well we went yesterday but we hadn't really explored the beach properly here. So we're currently just walking down the apartment. I've packed myself a salad. We're gonna go to a beach club. Whether they let me, I'm gonna have to hide the food, but that's okay because I'm trying to use up all the food we bought, and also I just really feel like my salad. Our last day in Nice. Alright guys, so this is the beach. Like, I think this is the main beach of Nice, I'm assuming, because it's the biggest one that we've seen. And the markets and stuff are all through there. But, I don't know if you can see, but wait, let me try and zoom in. After the volleyball courts, there's like a few beach clubs. So, we're going to see if they have any availability.
Hey, how are you?
Alright guys, we've got a booking.
First time here?
Yes, yes.
Let me show you changing room. Shower was from over there on your right.
Oh, yes.
Hello guys, so we have been sitting here. It's like 11:30 now. Probably gonna eat my salad in a second. Mum just want to go up and get the menu because she's gonna eat something here because she's hungry. I've just been reading my book. Currently, if you're interested in book, we'll just have a quick book talk. Currently reading The People We Meet on Vacation. I'm like 80% done. I'm really enjoying it. It's really good. So yeah, recommend that book. It's like just a one book like love story kind of thing. If you like that kind of books, they're just like easy reads. They're not like my go-to genre, but they're just easy reads, especially when you're on holiday. You don't want anything too hectic. And I'm pretty sure like you just know they're gonna end up together in the end. Like all of the books that I've been reading, like all of like the one book romance novels, and so far all of them have ended up together. So I'm really hoping these ones do too. Yeah, I think I'm gonna eat my salad now because I'm quite hungry. Okay guys, I have my salad by the beach. Hello guys, so I've just left the beach club and I'm about to walk to the fruit market, and hopefully there's still some fruit left. It closes in like 30-ish minutes. And I'm gonna try find some mum some food as well. She ordered some french fries at the beach club, but like both of us don't feel like eating like proper meals there. Just one is just like they're obviously more expensive, and two, we've just like eaten out a lot, and that's why we've been loving these, because we've been able to make our own food. That's why I brought my own salad. Hey guys, I just bought this piece of watermelon for $1. Okay guys, I've acquired the food. I got mum a ham and cheese sandwich and it was literally €2, so that is so much cheaper. I got some fruit. Now I'm going to try and sneak it into the beach club. I want to show you guys the view of the beach though. There's some boats out there. It looks so much fun, and people are like, I don't know what it's called, like paragliding. I could have completely stuffed that up, but like people like flying like the sails off the back of the boat, and it looks so much fun.